Hey, it's Kat, and today I want to share with you about this liquid vitamin D3 that I was given to try by IQ Biology. I was actually fascinated by this liquid supplement because of the MCT oil that is in it. So I'm actually a science lab geek by trade, and I actually know that vitamin D is one of those vitamins that is actually it's lipophilic. So they do not dissolve in water. They actually require a fat source in order to be soluble. They actually require a fat source in order to be able to be broken down to be absorbed into the body better. So this particular supplement right here uses MCT oil in it with a vitamin D3. So just think of this MCT oil in here in this dropper. So it's going into your body, right? It's going into your cells. It is really great because MCT oil has the ability almost to bypass some of those digestive processes, which allows it to have max absorption into your body. But now think about your vitamin D3. It is almost like hitching a ride on this MCT oil, and it binds to it and it helps break it down. And that MCT oil then allows that vitamin D3 to get into your system and to be able to be absorbed and actually be able to be utilized rather than just moving on out of your system and nothing happening to it, because this vitamin D could never be broken down so that it could actually be absorbed by your body. So this particular one is made in the USA. It is non-GMO. It is made in a GMP certified facility. Now this actually you can use for children all the way to adults. Right on the back here, it actually tells you how much to use for someone who may be ages 4 to 8. It doesn't say anything about younger than 4. So it says 4 to 8, ages 9 plus, and then adults. So depending on what age you're giving this to and how many drops that you use, that will tell you how long this will actually last. So there's about 30 drops in one dropper full. So you do 2 dropperfuls is a serving for an adult. There is about 30 servings in here, so you'll just have to do the math, whatever you do. But what I will go ahead and tell you right now before I do anything else, do your own research, do your own diligence, especially if you are going to be giving it to someone who is young. You know them. I can't tell you how anything's going to react. How something reacts for me might be different than how it reacts for you. So it is like an orange flavor. It really is a strong orange smell. See, I want to show you this right here. You can see it is really light. You do want to shake it up really good because of the MCT oil. So you want to shake this up really good before you use it. It's funny, I actually have a vortex. This is the kind of time I would get my little vortex out. Yes, I told you I was a science geek. I'm a lab geek. So right here, I would do that. 2 dropperfuls. You can put it in any liquid you want to. Shake well before use. Take with water daily or as directed by a physician. So this means also if you want to, you can actually just even take this straight. If you wanted to, take it straight, drink you some water, go right on. So that honestly is probably how I will do this right here. Excited about this because again, it's liquid. I'm really tired of taking pills. I take a lot of pills and supplement. So if there is ever a great vitamin that I can get in liquid form, I want to do it. I want to take advantage of it. I hope I was able to give you some information today about this as you are doing your own research about this product. So I hope you have a wonderful day.